Hello, my name is Aho Fandom. So I am back with the last part of the introducing blank blank Aho base videos. So it's gonna be Juwon, Cheon, and Daisuke for this one. So I'm just kind of like, you know the drill, y'all. I'm kind of just connecting things from what I've already learned and seen from content that I've watched to kind of going back to the beginning of how they see themselves and how they think others see themselves, and just like little bit tidbits of that. So we're just gonna watch.
안녕하세요. 아홉의 박주원입니다.
Oh, the subs are delayed. No. Okay, there we go.
저는 아기 호랑이라고
아기
생각하는데요.
호랑이.
왜냐하면 여러분의 영원한 아기 호랑이가 되고 싶고, 그 다음에 유니버스 리그
Look at that! I kind of missed the dark hair on him. I think it makes him look younger.
뭔가 용맹하고 멋있는 동물 하면 호랑이가 생각나는데 귀여운 모습도 보여드리고 싶어서 아기 호랑이라고 지었던
I need him and Hoshi to me. Hoshi's not even my bias, but like just like them both liking tigers. I mentioned this before.
평생 무대에 서고 싶다라는 꿈을 가진 아이였습니다. 저는 어렸을 때 바둑 기사를
Oh, okay.
했었는데요. 그래서 대회도 나가고
Oh,
상도 했었습니다. 꽤 잘했습니다.
that is interesting though. That's cool.
저는 원희라고 짓고 싶은데요.
Oh, that's so
왜냐하면
cute.
옛날부터 저희 부모님께서 저를 원아 이렇게 불렀었거든요. 그래서 원희라고 짓고 싶습니다.
아, 귀여워. The tiger.
이모티콘 중에 그
Oh,
눈, 코, 입이 다
어.
동그래지는 이런 이모티콘이 있는데
that looks like him.
그게 놀랄 때 제 모습과 굉장히 닮았다고 생각합니다.
That's cute how both him and Jaya both have a like the shocked. That's like, you know what I mean? Like me and my jewels, like delusions, y'all. I'm sorry.
저는 일본어 중에 다이스키를 되게 좋아하는데요. 왜냐하면 다이스키라는 단어를 아예 모르고 있었는데 우리 다이스케
I think so.
덕분에 다이스키라는 말도 알게 되고 뜻도 너무 이뻐서 좋아하게 됐습니다.
He's like, that was a good thing that the editing did.
앞으로 연습을 하거나 스케줄을 할 때 팀원들이 지칠 수도 있고 힘들어할 수도 있잖아요. 그럴 때마다 힘을 주는 그런 에너자이저 역할을 맡고 싶습니다.
That's so sweet.
가끔 이제 연습실에 약간
Oh,
연습실을 어둡게 하고 스트릿 댄스를 출 때가 있는데요. 그때 거울 속에 제 자신이 쭉
귀여워.
멋있다고 생각했습니다. 제가 얍 하면 여러분들이 그런 웃음을 주는 초능력을 가지고 싶습니다.
that's adorable.
얍!
Did they play it for that? The editor, they definitely like.
저는 귀여운 모습도 카리스마 있는 모습도 섹시한 모습도 이쁜
No,
모습도
not that. 예뻐?
다
Yes.
보여드릴 수
Sexy?
있는 게
아니.
저만의 입덕 포인트가 아닐까 생각합니다. 여러분들이 주신 사랑 절대 잊지 않고 멋있는 모습으로 꼭 돌아오겠습니다. 너무너무 보고 싶습니다. 네, 사랑합니다.
I don't know why he reminds me so much. I always say this, or I have mentioned it like a couple times. He reminds me so much of Kyu Changmin from The Boys, because that's my bias in The Boys. But it's because he just, for him, he's like very cutie pie, like when he's talking and like normal and not performing. But when a second he like enters like the stage and like the song comes on, like to start a performance, like he changes. And I feel like it's very much like similar vibes to Juwon. So that's also kind of why I also really like Juwon and JL like together, because JL is obviously my bias, and then Juwon just reminds me so much of Changmin. But yeah.
안녕하세요. 아홉의 지연입니다. 제 해시태그는 만찐남입니다. 사실 저는 어렸을 때는 그냥 열심히 공부하고 행복하게 사는 게 제 목표였어요. 저는 사실 여러분이 생각하신 것보다
I
멘탈이
can see that.
센 사람입니다. 저는 휘연으로 지고 싶은데요. 사실 이거 그냥 예전에 장난으로 잠깐 지었던 이름이긴 한데 다시 생각해보니까 입에 잘 붙이는 것 같기도 하고
It's kind of like a play on to
예쁜
onto.
것 같아서 만약에 한국어 이름을 지는다면 휘연으로 하고 싶습니다. 저는 투키예요. 일단 많은 분들께서 이제 투키 닮았다는 말을 해주시고 또 이제 제가 되게 마음에 들어.
You know who Chan reminds me of? Sorry, you know who he reminds me of? Now, the more that I hear him talk, and the more like I see his expressions. I don't know if I mentioned it before. He reminds me of Yujin from the ZB1 because he's very like kind of like chill and very like unbothered in a way, but he is very mischievous because for them like that is their magne in the group. Whereas for like here, he is part of the magne line, but you can't. I feel like you just can't ever tell what they're thinking. Is what the vibe is. That's what he reminds me of, and I'm pretty sure, Yujin is also a doki in his group. So, I can't. There you go. There's a smile instead of like the straight face.
제가 가장 좋아하는 한국어 단어는 바보인데요. 사실 이제 어떤 사람들이 들으면 N이라고 생각할 수도 있지만 근데 저는 바보가 되게 귀엽다고
Why is it meaningful?
생각하고 또 이제 의미가 있다고 생각을 해서 저는 좋아하는 사람을 바보라고 부릅니다.
Oh, you're one of those people. Okay, like to mess with people like Pablo. Yeah.
인스타 전담자를 맡고
As a term of endearment.
싶은데요. 일단 제가 사진 찍는 걸 되게 좋아하기도 하고 그리고 이제 찍는 그런 일상 사진들을 팬분들께 공유해드리고 싶어서 인스타 담당자를 맡고 싶습니다. 아무래도 무대 위에 있는 제 모습이 가장 멋있다고 생각을 합니다. 저는 순간이동 능력을 가진
Teleportation is like a very
사람인데요.
popular one.
일단 제가 여행하는 걸 진짜 좋아하는데
But it's interesting what their different
비행기
reasons
타는 게
are.
너무 힘들어서요. 그리고 이제 보고 싶은 사람들을 바로바로
Aw,
보고
so
싶어서
sweet.
순간이동을 하고 싶습니다. 윙크하면서 숨키스 같은 그런 제스처를 보면서 얼굴 자랑하기입니다.
Should we do it?
하나, 둘, 셋.
He's like, I can't believe I just did that.
항상 최선을 다해서 다양하고 좋은 모습만 보여드릴 테니까 많이 기대해 주시고 사랑해 주시면 감사하겠습니다. 사랑해요.
He's just so like I can't with him sometimes because like I just never know what he's thinking, but like he's just very like a little bit awkward in a way, like especially really here because like it's the beginning, so like it's also the fact that they're probably just doing it with either just the camera itself or like the director in front of them, and they're just like it's just interesting. Okay, Daisuke Nini,
안녕하세요. 아홉 다이스케입니다.
오랜만에.
선물은 콩을 좋아하고
귀여워.
음식은 초콜릿을 좋아해서 근데 저거 좋아하는 곰입니다.
아, 애기야.
게임 크리에이터 되고 싶었어요. 이유는 게임을 굉장히 좋아하기 때문입니다. 좋아하는 게임은
Of course, it's Minecraft.
너무 좋습니다. 의외로 공공한 걸입니다. 나이가 어리지만 당당하는 걸
Oh,
보여주고 싶기 때문입니다.
that makes sense.
나형입니다. 이유는 한국인 중에 형가 많은 이미지가 있어서 근데 형 발음도 너무 좋아 생각인데 형 플러스 다섯 개 다 붙여 나형입니다. 우는 얼굴입니다. 이유는 항상 우는 얼굴 있고 싶기 때문입니다.
귀여워. The Mugday line is killing me, y'all.
편의점입니다. 이유는 한국에 제가 처음 와서 처음 배우는 단어가
That makes sense though. Like that's where you go to like
근데
stock up on snacks.
좀 좋습니다. 형들이에게 애정을 정하는 딜리버리 만렙입니다. 엔딩 여정 하는 시간이
The ending.
가장 멋있다고 생각합니다. 아주 높은 소리를 내는 능력.
Oh please don't. Oh my God, is he gonna do it? Okay, thank God. I was about to say.
우는 얼굴입니다. 있는 그대로의 저를 사랑해주세요.
Oh, cute. That was so cute. Sorry, I'm gonna watch that next. But the Mangde line are just so. It's interesting to see how different they are. But so I finally have made it to the end for these introductions, and I think I definitely have like gotten a little bit more acquainted with some of the members because obviously, like I said, I always pay attention more to JL, and for everyone else, I kind of like somewhat pay attention to, but it was definitely like more of like a refresher for me to like, oh yeah, like to get to know them a little bit better, or like connect certain things, or like things kind of clicking more together of how and why they act a certain way or how they are. But yeah, definitely, I obviously don't have a bias wrecker in this group, y'all. Just cause for me, I feel like JL is already like a wrecker in itself that I don't need a bias wrecker, but I mean that could change at any point, so I guess we'll have to wait and see, because I honestly think maybe like Juwon, I was saying, because like I mentioned, he was really coming for me with with his dancing, because like I said, I have been noticing him a lot more in certain parts of like their choreo that I'm just like, oh, like he completely changes, like I said, like I mentioned, like my bias from the boys. So he just really reminds me of him, but I think it's more so like wrecker in a way that it's not like I'm dying because like they're of their like, because you know, like you have your bias, right? But then you're like the bias wrecker usually like kills you and comes for you a lot, like in terms of like visuals and like also like what's it called, performance wise. But I feel like Juwon's not like like not super like attacking me, but I just feel like, oh, like he attracts my eye as well, so that's why I would say he's maybe my potential bias wrecker. But like I said, that could always change, so I really don't know. But I am glad I got to go back and watch, I had time to go back and watch these and kind of, like I said, get better acquainted with what I already know for them, and seeing how like also how they've changed from like, because this was beginning pre-debut, working up like getting into debut, as to how more comfortable they are now to talk in front of cameras and like, you know. So I am excited to see any more content that they end up doing, because obviously like I think after this is pretty much I am caught up to everything at this point, unless they start dropping more off the record, or if they finally like, once they finally get a break, they'll do their variety more. But we'll have to just have to wait and see, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed, and I shall see you in the next one.